Mandurriao is one of the oldest districts of Iloilo City and has a long history that dates back to the Spanish colonial period. It was officially founded in 1726 as a separate town or municipality. According to local tradition, the name Mandurriao came from two crocodiles named Mandu and Riao that were said to be fighting in two nearby lakes when the Spaniards explored the area. The names were later combined into Mandurriao, which eventually became Mandurriao. During the Spanish and early American periods, Mandurriao was mainly an agricultural community, known for rice fields, fish ponds, and salt beds. Over time, it developed into an important residential and commercial area. A significant date in its history was July 16, 1937, when Mandurriao, together with Molo, Arevalo, and La Paz, was incorporated into the expanded Iloilo City, ending its status as an independent municipality. Today, Mandurriao is one of the most progressive districts of Iloilo City. It is known as the city's modern business center, home to large establishments such as Iloilo Business Park and SMCT Iloilo. Mandurriao has no single recorded founder because it was established gradually as a Spanish-era town in 1726 through settlement and organization by Spanish authorities and local natives. Serapion C. Torre, a native of Mandurriao and known as the father of modern Ilonggo literature. He helped develop Hiligaynon literature and became an important cultural figure. Mandurriao Plaza was renamed Serapion C. Torre Park in his honor. Tomas Confesor, a native of Mandurriao and a local hero who led guerrilla forces in Panay during World War II. His leadership helped resist Japanese occupation and contributed to the liberation of the region. Rodolfo Ganzon, a prominent political figure who became the first elected mayor of Iloilo City. He played an important role in strengthening local governance and development after the war. Many unnamed barangay leaders, farmers, and workers helped Mandurriao grow from a rural town into a progressive district. Their hard work in agriculture, trade, and public service greatly contributed to local development. Mandurriao, Iloilo City, is now one of the 7 districts of Iloilo City and is no longer a separate municipality. It has a land area of about 13.78 square kilometers and is located in the western part of the city. The area is mostly flat and highly urbanized. Its flora includes trees and plants, while fauna includes birds and small animals. It has a population of around 66,000 people. Mandurriao is a major business center with malls, hotels, offices, and BPO companies. Many residents work in business, trade, transportation, tourism, and service jobs. The culture of Mandurriao reflects Ilonggo traditions, with festivals like the Dinagyang Festival, celebrated through street dancing and devotion to the Santo Niño. Popular foods include La Paz Batchoy and other local dishes, while Hiligaynon is the main language spoken. The people are known for hospitality, respect for elders, and strong community values, which remain evident despite modern development.